Replacing a door might seem like a straightforward home improvement task, but it's one that comes with more complexity than meets the eye. Whether you're upgrading your front entry for curb appeal or swapping out an old patio door for better energy efficiency, choosing to work with a professional installer can make all the difference. For Knoxville homeowners, where weather patterns vary and home styles range widely, hiring a door replacement expert ensures your investment delivers long-lasting value, safety, and peace of mind. Here's why working with a professional for your door replacement project is a smart decision. Expert installation ensures a proper fit doors are only as effective as their installation. An improperly installed door can lead to drafts, security vulnerabilities, and water leaks, issues that are especially problematic in Knoxville's humid summers and chilly winters. Professional installers have the tools, knowledge, and experience to measure and adjust for exact fit, correctly align and seal the frame, install weather stripping and insulation properly, handle uneven walls or settling that can affect door function. This precision ensures your new door works smoothly, looks great, and provides optimal energy performance. Save time and avoid costly mistakes. What may seem like a weekend DIY project often turns into days of frustration and multiple trips to the hardware store. Without the proper expertise, you could end up damaging the door, frame, or surrounding trim, leading to additional repairs and expenses. A professional can complete the job efficiently, often in just a few hours, saving you time and minimizing disruption to your home. Their experience also means they can troubleshoot unexpected issues quickly and prevent expensive errors. Maximize energy efficiency. Knoxville's changing climate makes energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. A professional installer knows how to properly seal and insulate your door, helping to prevent air leakage and reduce your energy bills year-round. Many modern replacement doors come with energy-saving features such as insulated cores, low-E glass, and multi-point locking systems. A professional ensures these features are properly utilized so your home stays more comfortable while consuming less energy. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Your door is one of your home's first lines of defense. An improperly installed or misaligned door can compromise your home's security. A professional installer ensures your door fits snugly, locks securely, and offers the protection your family deserves. In addition, many professionals offer warranties on both the product and the installation, giving you peace of mind in case issues arise down the road. DIY installation rarely comes with that level of security or service. Access to quality materials and custom options. Professionals often work with trusted manufacturers and suppliers, giving you access to high-quality doors that may not be available at big box retailers. Whether you're looking for a custom wood entry door, a modern steel security option, or a sliding glass patio door, a pro can help you find the right fit for your home's style and your personal needs. They'll also help you choose the right materials and finishes that can withstand Knoxville's weather while adding value and beauty to your home. Local expertise that matters. Knoxville homes come in all shapes, sizes, and ages, from historic neighborhoods to new builds in growing suburbs. Local professionals understand the specific requirements of homes in the area, including building codes, climate considerations, and regional style preferences. Their insight ensures that your new door meets local standards while blending seamlessly with your home's architecture. Final thoughts. While door replacement might seem like a simple job, hiring a professional ensures that it's done right the first time. From precision installation and energy efficiency to enhanced security and local expertise, a skilled installer can help you avoid common pitfalls and make the most of your investment. If you're considering replacing a door in your Knoxville home, don't go it alone. Trust a local expert who can deliver a smooth process, exceptional results, and the lasting benefits you deserve.